Happy Women's Day to all the women all over the world. Today is International Women's Day. International Women's Day is all about unity, celebration. The Bible has a lot to say about women and their worth. God makes it clear that women are important to Him. In fact, there are many great examples of strong women in the Bible. As we celebrate Women's Day today, let's talk and look at the Bible verse about women to understand the special rule that God has for all women. Hallelujah. 1 Peter 3 verse 1 to 2 says, "Wives, in the same way, submit yourselves to your whole husband, so that if any of them do not believe the word, they may be won over without words by the behavior of their wives, when they see the purity and irrelevance of their lives." Proverbs 31 verse 10 says, "A wife of a noble character who can find, she is worthy far more than rubies." Proverbs 31 verse 11 says, "Her husband has full confidence in her and lack nothing of value." Proverbs 31 verse 12 says, "She bring good to him, not harm, all the days of her life." God bless you, my beautiful women all over the world. Happy Women's Day. Go and say and remain blessed. Bye.